we're on the highway, but it seems like a car starting a fire. So we're on our way back to Georgia. But look at this one. Sorry about the bugs on the windshield too, guys, but you know, we're driving on the highway.
Is that a car? Holy crap, that is a car.
I hope that person is out.
Oh my God, that is a car. Oh my God, I hope that person is out. Oh my God, I hope that person is out.
Yeah,
that must be him right there.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, I hope that's him right there. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That is crazy.
Hey guys, so before you travel, you always got to check your vehicle, make sure it's in the proper condition. So I mean, it could go on this highway because yeah, it would get overheated and then it start a fire just like that. So you know, you always got to check your vehicle before you go on the highway. Okay. All right. So just be safe. Okay. Safety first. All right. So take care of you guys. Take care of yourself. See you later. Bye bye.